All right, it's Monday, December 29th, just following up on Google. I described I bought some calls here at this when this green bar formed on bar number 4. I've actually been holding it ever since. It did move to take out the highs of the day, and then at that point it had a little bit of a pause area, pullback. I wanted to watch that closely, just orderly, then the green bar, and now it's come up again to take out the highs of the day. So the context I've always said is moving up after this big reversal down here towards these highs. Today was a little bit of a gap down after that kind of abrupted week last week, but it immediately brought in buying below those lows, and the opening structure at least took out the first bar high to set the tone today upside. So anyway, now we're moving up towards the end of the day. It's kind of a slow grind today, as it is with many stocks, but I then was able to scale out. I bought those 310 calls at 543. I just sold some at 6. They're at 605 right now. So, it's a kind of a base hit type of gain, and we'll see how it closes. If we can kind of close strong here on the daily chart with a little bit of it looks like a green hammer bar type of thing after probing these lows, then you can sort of expect us to taste those highs. So I still think we're heading up there until proven otherwise, and ultimately making another move to those highs. If you look at the weekly chart, you can kind of see that is what's unfolding here on this 2-up week. As long as we hold the midpoint in the open of this week, we can take out that high and then work towards broadening, towards those highs up there. So there's a lot of context to the upside, and it's again a slow day, but nevertheless still an upward bias. So fortunately, we kind of held inside the first bar. It was just a lot of consolidation, and now we're moving towards some of those targets above. So not a bad trade on Google, and it might even, before the end of the day, surprise and move, a lot higher into the last hour. We'll find out.